Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can embed an app project from a Uizard, for example, on your website or a homepage or online blog. So let us dive into this. So as you will need to navigate to the given project here in the Uizard app editor, and then let me go through that app project here for demonstration purposes. So what you really need to do is click into this button here in the top right, and then click into Embed. Now embedding will be disabled as long as the project hasn't been published. So we will need to publish it first by navigating to it, then click into embed, and now you can use, for example, that HTML embed code here, embed it on Notion, Monday.com or Miro. So if you go with the HTML code, copy it to your clipboard, and use it to embed it in the given destination page, like on your home page or the project you're working on. That's it, guys. So only published sites can do this. So if I unpublish it, the embedding will be disabled, right? And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.